Have you ever wondered how Japanese people manage to stay organized, calm, efficient, and seemingly stress-free, even while living in some of the busiest and most fast-paced cities on Earth? Tokyo trains run with military precision. Homes are spotless, even when they're tiny. Meals are simple but artful, and daily routines flow with a calm rhythm that keeps life balanced. Today, you're about to discover the everyday secrets behind this lifestyle. Not theories, not aesthetics, but real, practical Japanese habits that can transform the way you live. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's step into a new way of living, Japanese style. Welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about self-improvement, smarter living, and discovering global habits that elevate your life, then this video was made for you. Today, we're breaking down 10 Japanese life hacks that anyone, absolutely anyone, can adopt. These simple, elegant habits will upgrade your home, your mindset, and your entire daily flow. Let's begin. 1. The 1-minute rule, Kaizen in daily life. Japan is famous for Kaizen, the philosophy of continuous improvement. Most people think Kaizen only applies to factories, businesses, or work processes, but the truth is, it's woven into everyday life. One of the simplest ways this shows up is the 1-minute rule. If something takes 1 minute or less, do it immediately. Don't think about it. Don't negotiate with yourself. Just do it. Rinse the cup now. Fold the shirt now. Reply to that quick message now. Put your shoes away now. At first, it may seem trivial, but the genius of this habit is that tiny tasks never pile up into mountains of stress. Your home stays clean. Your mind stays clear. Your to-do list never overwhelms you. In Japan, life isn't about one big, perfect accomplishment. It's about doing tiny, consistent things, day in and day out. And it is in that quiet, repeated consistency that real order and real peace emerges. 2. The Jinkin check. Keep outside dirt outside. Step into any Japanese home, and you enter the Jinkan, a small entryway where shoes are removed and house slippers are put on. But this is more than just tradition. It's a clever lifestyle hack. The Jinkin serves two important purposes. Physical cleanliness. Removing shoes prevents dust, dirt, bacteria, and grime from entering the home. Japanese people are serious about hygiene, and the Jinkan ensures the indoors stays fresh and clean. Mental reset. Stepping out of your shoes is a tiny ritual that signals your brain. You're home. You can relax now. It creates a psychological boundary between the stress of the outside world and the calm of your living space. This one small habit is so simple, yet it instantly shifts both your environment and your mindset, providing clarity and calm as you enter your home. 3. Mottainai, the art of not wasting anything. The word mottainai is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. It roughly means, what a waste, this still has value. But mottainai isn't about being cheap. It's about respect. Respect for the energy, labor, and life that went into every object, every resource, every product. In daily life, mottainai manifests in small, intentional actions. Reusing jars, containers, and bags. Turning leftovers into new, creative meals. Repairing broken items instead of replacing them. Using every last drop of shampoo or lotion. Fixing clothes rather than throwing them away. When you embrace mottainai, you do more than save money. You become intentional. You become grateful. You become environmentally conscious. You begin to see your belongings and your life through a lens of value, care, and mindful use. 4. Bento box meal planning. The Japanese bento box is more than a colorful lunch. It's a blueprint for mindful living. Bento boxes are carefully portioned, visually organized, and designed for balance. They teach you several key habits. Balance your nutrition, protein, carbs, vegetables, something fresh, something fermented. Prevent overeating. Small compartments guide portions and discourage mindless filling. Save time and money. Home-prepped bento meals are healthier and cheaper than restaurant options. Eat mindfully. The presentation encourages slow, appreciative eating rather than rushing through meals. In Japan, food isn't just fuel. It's a way to harmonize with your day. Bento culture turns the simple act of eating into intentional, beautiful, and efficient living. 5. Clean as you go. The Japanese cleaning motto. In Japan, cleaning is not a chore, it's a way of life. Whether in homes, schools, or restaurants, The philosophy is simple. Clean small messes immediately, and you'll never have a big mess to deal with. Daily habits include wiping kitchen counters right after use, washing dishes immediately, sweeping minor spills or crumbs, returning objects to their exact places, folding clothes as soon as they're dry. It's not about perfection, it's about consistent maintenance. A few seconds here, a few seconds there, and your home stays tidy effortlessly. This approach removes guilt, reduces stress, and transforms cleaning from an overwhelming obligation into a natural rhythm of life. 6. The magic of warm towels, oshibori. Warm towels, known as oshibori, are one of the most underrated Japanese comforts. Yet the impact they have on your body and mind is immediate. When you walk into a Japanese restaurant and you're handed a warm, moist towel, it's not just for cleaning your hands. It's a gentle invitation to pause, breathe, and reset. The warmth relaxes tense muscles. The steam soothes the face and signals the nervous system to slow down. The simple act of wiping your hands becomes a moment of calm in a busy day. Japan understands something powerful. Luxury doesn't always come from big things. Sometimes it's just warmth, softness, and attention to detail. Many Japanese families even heat towels at home, especially during the cold months. It's a small ritual that says, you deserve comfort, even right now, even in this ordinary moment. Imagine starting your morning by pressing a warm towel against your face, or ending your night with the same gentle warmth. Instant calm, instant relaxation, instant escape from stress. This is the magic of oshibori, small comfort, big peace. 7. Vertical storage for everything. In Japan, space is precious. Homes are often compact, and storage is rarely abundant. But instead of letting this cause clutter or chaos, the Japanese turned organization into an art form. The secret they use is incredibly simple. Store everything vertically. Books stand upright, not stacked. Clothes are folded and placed vertically so every piece is visible. Kitchen utensils, documents, trays, and even cleaning supplies are organized in vertical layers. Why does this matter? Because vertical storage transforms the way you interact with your belongings. You can instantly see what you own. Nothing gets buried. Nothing gets lost. Nothing becomes a forgotten mess at the back of a drawer. It saves space. It reduces clutter. It keeps the home calm, intentional, and incredibly easy to clean. That's why Japanese rooms often feel bigger and more peaceful than they actually are. Everything has a place, and everything stands neatly in alignment. Vertical storage turns your home into a sanctuary of order and clarity. 8. Quiet mornings, the Japanese start to the day. In many parts of the world, mornings begin with noise, blaring alarms, rushing around, opening social media before even opening the curtains. But in Japan, the ideal morning is the opposite. Quiet, slow, balanced. A Japanese morning often begins with a gentle ritual. A warm cup of green tea, slow stretching, soft music, or simply sitting in silence and breathing deeply. The goal is not productivity. The goal is presence. This peaceful start is more than just a habit. It's a reset for your mind. It clears mental fog. It eases emotional tension. It prepares your mind for the day with calm, not chaos. Even 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, of quiet morning stillness can transform your entire day. You walk into your tasks with more focus, more clarity, and more emotional control. In Japan, calmness isn't a luxury. It's a lifestyle choice, a commitment to protecting your inner world before facing the outer one. 9. The seasonal switch. Rotate your wardrobe. One of the most thoughtful Japanese habits is the seasonal clothing switch. 4 times a year, as the seasons change, the wardrobe changes too. Summer clothes are carefully folded and stored away. Cold weather clothes are brought out, refreshed, and organized. When winter passes, everything rotates again. This simple habit brings powerful benefits. It keeps your closet uncluttered. You only see clothes you can actually wear. It helps your garments last longer because they're stored properly and not overused. It reminds you of what you own, preventing unnecessary purchases. And emotionally, it creates a sense of renewal. Every season becomes a fresh start, a reset button, a chance to rearrange your environment and your mindset. Your home feels lighter. Your space feels refreshed. Your routine feels intentional. The Japanese seasonal switch isn't just about clothes. It's about rhythm, gratitude, and living in harmony with nature. 10. The Thank Your Home Ritual. Of all Japanese life habits, this might be the most beautiful. Inspired by ancient Shinto beliefs, many Japanese people quietly thank their home when they walk in or out. It can be a whisper, a bow, or even just a thought. Thank you for sheltering me. Thank you for keeping me safe. Thank you for being my space of peace. It may sound simple, almost too simple, but this tiny act of gratitude transforms your relationship with your environment. When you express gratitude toward your home, you naturally treat it better. You clean it with care. You organize it with intention. You respect the space that supports your life. It also reduces stress, because gratitude softens the mind, lowers tension, and turns ordinary moments into grounding rituals. Your home becomes more than a physical space. It becomes a companion, a quiet protector, a place you honor and a place that, in its own way, takes care of you. This ritual of gratitude creates emotional warmth, mindfulness, and a sense of deep connection to your surroundings. These Japanese life hacks might seem simple, but remember this: a small habit practiced daily becomes a lifestyle, and a lifestyle shapes your entire life. If even one of these hacks spoke to you, try it today. Your transformation has already begun. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing habits from around the world. Stay inspired, stay intentional, and I'll see you in the next video.